Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can create the trending football edit in CapCut step by step using the CapCut effects on mobile. So if you want to make your football edits go viral, you can just follow these steps. First, you can just launch the CapCut applications on your phone. Tap on new project and select the videos. So in here I'm going to use these two videos right here. Click on add. Now you can just trim the part that you need. So for example, I'm going to trim it a little bit. Now on the first clip, you can go to speed menu and then here click on the curve options, choose custom, click on edit, and now you can delete the second and the third beats. Click on delete beat in here and then just set the curve like this. Put the first one at the top and the second one put it in the middle like this, and also this one lower it like so. Click on the smooth slow-mo options and choose the better quality. Hit on a check icon, and now CapCut will apply the smooth slow motion to the clip. Okay, you can preview the result. Okay, so that's the result. And now you can add 2 keyframes on the first clip. Now on the second keyframe, zoom it in like this and click on the grabs, choose linear, click on adjust. Now click on add beat and set the curve like this. So this will be the preview, and you can just repeat the same steps for the second clip. So you can click on the speed, curve, custom, edit and delete the second and the third beats, then adjust it like this. Hit on a check icon. Now just add 2 keyframes on the clip like this. Zoom in on the second one, grabs and then linear, set the curve like this. So this will be the result. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and also click on the thanks. So I'll see you all on the next one. Bye.